Do a lot of stuff in Excel just by using the built-in tools and things like pivot tables. But what's really useful for statistics is something called the data analysis pack. And you'll see there, this is not shown in my menu bar. What you do there is you go File, Options down the bottom, Add-ins. You can see there's a whole lot of lists of things that you can put into Excel. So all I'm just going to do is go there, click go, and you'll see there's the analysis tool back. I'm going to put the VBA because I like using VBA, and solver. I'll add in solver as well, and I'm just going to go OK. And you will now find where it's hiding. There we go, data analysis comes up. Data analysis tools, we can click on data analysis tool. We can do analysis of variance, correlation, covariance, descriptive statistics, moving average. You do heaps and heaps of different statistical analysis, most of which you don't really need to do, even have SPSS or any of the other statistical programs. So once you've installed the add-in, what you then do, I have now opened a file which I created a whole lot of different things from the census data. This proportion, I called it dwelling proportions. I'm just going to get rid of this because it's repeating. So I'll go Control-C, Control-H, just get rid of that. This comes from the pivot tables and I don't want it. Okay, so what we can do here, we go into data analysis, and what we can do is we can start with descriptive statistics. Now bear in mind it doesn't like names, so I'm just using the numerical data. And if I look at summary statistics, I just go OK, and down at the bottom it takes a bit of time because it's calculating quite a lot of stuff, and it says calculating summary statistics. I'll just pause it while we're doing that. Oh no, it's done it. So for each of the different variables, it has calculated summary statistics. So if we expand this a little, we'll just expand these two for the median age, the mean, the standard error, the median. To be honest, you can't really calculate some medians of means, but standard deviation, skewness, range, minimum, and maximum, and maybe go to something that is not averages, but let's go into the graduate proportions, for example. So the graduate proportions, we'll just expand this out a bit. Mean, standard error. So it tells you quite a lot of stuff that you can use. You can also go into, you can calculate correlation. I've already highlighted that. Okay, it doesn't like that because I'm on the wrong worksheet. I need to go on the proper worksheet. So let's just go, because you have to actually have the worksheet you're working on. Just go into correlation. I already highlighted that. Column B is the names of the SA2, so it doesn't like it. And it just calculates the correlations, the correlation coefficient. Don't forget, the correlation is not causation. So there it has, it's calculated the correlation, and it's created a really nice table. And if you look at this, it hasn't calculated any statistical significance. But if you look there, the average household size is quite strongly correlated with median rent, positively correlated. Let me just see if there's any strong negative correlations. Low education is negatively correlated with median mortgage. Median household income is very positively correlated with median mortgage, so that's quite interesting. So pretty much the higher the mortgage, the higher the education, and that's a standard thing that's known about demographic populations, is that higher education, people tend to earn more money, for example. So there, for example, if we look at the graduate proportion, this is not really correlated with age, strongly correlated with mortgage, personal income, so with rent, family income, very low with people per bedroom. And yeah, so cool. That's how you can use Excel in basic statistics.